Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the GIF file or GIF image on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the GIF in GIF in Google Docs mobile, as it's going to show in this video. So you just need to click on the open any document first, and you don't have any option to insert GIF. By clicking on the insert option, you will see image option. So if you download the GIF on your mobile phone, you can just use it, or you can just search from a web also. The another way of inserting the GIF file is clicking by using the Google keyboard on your phone. So just click on this emoji option. Now you can see option for GIF. So you can just click this directly. You can just insert it like this, or you can just type anything like happy birthday, and just you can just insert it like this, and you can just use edit option to replace the image like that. And you can just also insert the any type of GIF file from this. You can just make as thank you. You can see a lot of GIF files are here. You can just use it like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.